Very good evening. So we'll start talking. Yes. So I am very much excited to discuss and talk to you all. I hope that even you are excited for this session. I have prepared many things. I have many things in my mind which I would like to share because this topic is very close to me, and I am into this topic since a long time now. So I have a lot of suggestions, a lot of personal experience which I will be sharing with all of you. So I hope you enjoy this session and watch this session till the end so that you can get some valuable inputs. I would like to say one more thing here. That this session is powered by I Am Graduate, and they are doing a wonderful job here. I would like to thank Ms. Usha Srivastav, who is the brainchild behind this platform, and she's doing such a wonderful job where she's connecting students with a group of experts who can help them, counsel them, mentor them. So yes, a big thanks to I Am Graduate team for doing such a wonderful job. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me that I can come live and can interact with all of you all. Thank you so much. So I think it is a good time for me to start the session. Yes? Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so before starting the session, I would like to introduce myself so that we can become good friends and we can talk a lot. Alright, so hi everybody, good evening. My name is Professor Meenu Paul. I am a media faculty and a professional guide. Besides this, I am also into counseling and guiding students. I am helping them to solve their career queries. Also, I am an author. I have authored some test books. So yes, I am here with you to share my experiences, my thoughts with all of y'all. Okay, and I am looking forward for a lot of discussions and suggestions from your side. So yes, coming to this topic, that why did I choose this topic and why I felt that it is important for me to talk about it is because, as we all know, that the admission season have started, and all our 10th and 12th pass outs are busy with filling their online admission form. So I thought it is the need of the hour to discuss and to talk about this topic. Also, in my teaching experience, in my teaching career, I have been, coming across with so many students. I'm helping them to solve their career queries. But at the same time, I'm coming across with many questions which are similar, and I feel that it is important to address those questions. Okay, at an early stage of your life, at an early stage of a student's life, so that such questions don't arise once they complete their graduation. Because many students, they come to me when they are doing their graduation or they are graduate, and then they have questions like, ma'am, what should I do next? I don't know, I can't figure out how should I create my career, or where should I go, which stream should I select. So yes, for all of them, I feel that they lack a pre-planned career, or they lack a goal in their life. See, if you plan the things, then these questions won't arise in the future. But if you don't plan, and if you just abruptly go for any career option, then surely you will land up with all these questions. So it is important for all of us to talk about this thing, because I feel that this point is not addressed properly, and that is the reason I am here. I am here on I Am Graduate to address this problem, because I think it is very important for all of us to talk about it. It is very important for the current generation to know, or the current graduates or the current pass out students to know the importance of planning a career. All right. It is said that a well-planned career is instrumental in a happy and successful life, and I believe this statement strongly because I have experienced it, and I think that it is a completely practical approach. You should have a proper planning. You should plan your goals. You should plan your career properly, so that it becomes easy for you to work on it. All right. See, a simple thing, a simple logic I will give you. You go out of your house, so you have something in your mind. Okay, today I want to travel to Andheri. If you don't have that thing in your mind, then how will you travel, or which path will you take? It will become difficult for you, right? In the same way, that same funda is applicable to life also, to career also. So still you don't have a proper mindset, a proper direction where you want to move into, then how are you going to find out that path? It is difficult. All right. So setting a goal is very important, and that is the reason I'm here today, to help you doing that. Okay. Are you excited for this? Give me a big fat thumbs up, guys, if you're excited to know how to plan a right career or how to select a right career for you. Directly go to the first point. All right. So my first point on how to go for a right career option, or how to decide a right career option, is to seek the help of a counselor. Yes, you heard me right. To seek the help of a career counselor. Now, why career counseling is important and why you should invest your time and money into it? So, the reason is, see, earlier there were limited career options. If I'm talking, if you go back to last 30 years, if I'm talking about, 30 years back, there were limited career options. Like there were 3 streams: arts, commerce, and science, and the selection was completely based on your marks. All right. But today, the scenario is completely different. There are n number of opportunities which a child has, okay, and which he can go into. But when I'm saying that there are a lot of career options available in the market, at the same time, these leads to lot of confusion as well. Not only for the child but also for the parent. That where should I place my child? Which career option should I, should I take him to? And there are many more doubts, right? So in this situation, a counselor, a career counselor, can act as a problem solver. Now understand this thing: when a child completes his 10th standard, he has so many things in his mind. He wants to become this, he wants to become that, and lot of things, right? And what are the touch points he can talk about, he can go and talk to, is their parents and the teacher. And it has been observed that many a times teachers and parents are unaware about many different career options which are emerging into the market. So in this time, it is preferred, and I will highly recommend all the parents who are listening to me to take your child to a career counselor. All right. Now, who is a career counselor and why you should take your child to him? So let me tell you, a career counselor is a person who is expert in child psychology. All right. Now, what he will do? He will analyze the key points in your child, such as what kind of areas he is interested into, what is his behavior, what type of attitude he has towards life. All of these things are very important, so that he can give you a right option. See, once he evaluates all these criterias, he will give you some selected options for your child. He will shortlist some career options which goes with the interest area of your child. And once you get those shortlisted options, then you will be in a position where you can take informed career decision for your kid. All right. See, there are a lot of opportunities. So once the opportunities come to 3 or 4, like limited career option, you get a shortlisted option, then the decision making process becomes very easier. All right. And the second benefit which I would like to talk about is, and this is my own experience. All right. So when you take your child to a counselor, it helps to improve his confidence level. And I have experienced this thing, because it is such a time where we want someone with whom I can talk to, who will not judge me on what I am talking, and he will listen to me and understand me. Many a times parents and teachers fail to do that, but a counselor is an expert, and he will understand the requirements of your child. He will understand what is he trying to say. He will understand those things. So of course, when a child is interacting with such a person, it will help to improve his confidence level. And also, when he is providing some career options, he will also provide you a way how to go about. So when a child knows that, okay, now I have to become a designer, so he can explore his path on his own. He won't have any confusion like what I have to do next. He will know what he has to do, because today the kids are very much smart. We just have to motivate them and show them a right way. All right. Once we can show them a right way, they will they will themselves create paths and reach that goal. Trust me, they will do that, because children today are way more smarter than us, and they can come up with all these things. But when I say this, it is also important for you to be informed of what your child is doing. Many a times I see the parents, they don't know what their child is into, what is their passion, and what are their interest areas. According to me, uh, as a parent, you should be aware that what your child likes and what he wants to excel into, so you can support him very well. All right, so this is my very first point. Okay, that you should opt for a career counseling. When I say this, I will also recommend I Am Graduate here, because I Am Graduate is such a platform where they provide professional help, professional counseling to the students. So yes, if you have anything in your mind, if you want some help in this domain, you can surely go for I Am Graduate, and they can help you with this. So did you find this point interesting? Did you do you Will you take your child to a career counselor? Can you hit a yes in the comment box? Did you find this point interesting? Did you agree to this point? Yes. Big fat thumbs up if you agree to this point then. Or you can comment yes in the chat box. Okay, I'm getting some comments. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you very much for your lovely comments. Thanks a lot. Now I'll move to the next point. So the next point number 3, tip number 2 is multi-career options, or I can say multiple career options. Okay. Now why multiple career? Why it is important that a child should have multiple career? Understand this thing, my friends. Today the job market is very much fluctuating. The jobs are becoming very dicey today, and there might be certain situations where one career option will not work for you. So at such a point, you should have plan B ready with you, in your bucket, or in your you should have a plan B ready. That's what I mean. Okay, now why it is important? Why the plan A will not work? Because we can see a lot of fluctuations happening in the job market, and because of which having a plan B is always a good option. And I highly recommend this point to all my students who come for counseling, that always go for multiple career options. It will help you in a long run. All right, so how to go about it, I'll just share that you can better relate to this point. So I have done my bachelor's in mass media, and side by side I also did my diploma. I also did a diploma in animation from a reputed institute. Later I did my master's in communication and journalism. Now how these things are helping me? So today I am a full-time faculty. I am working on a full-time basis. And secondly, I am also a freelance graphic designer. All right. So how is it benefiting me? First of all, it is helping me with multiple income sources, which is very important today. To survive in Mumbai, you have to earn a lot of money to meet your expenses. So that is the reason multiple career option is a go point for all the people who want to make their career in Mumbai. Because if you want to meet the expenses, you should have a good career. You should have backup plans ready with you. Secondly, in my life, if I feel somewhere that one career is not paying me much, or I'm bored with one career, then it will be easy for me to shift to the next one. Why? Because I have that plan ready with me. But just imagine if I don't have any plan and I'm just into teaching, then how am I going to survive? Right? It will be so stressful for me. So to have a successful life, remember the point I told earlier. To have a successful life, it is important to create these backups at a very early stage. Understand this thing. Things look very glamorous. Multiple career options, getting good income. I know, it sounds really well, but it needs lot of planning, my friends. till the time you don't plan these things, at a early stage of your life, things won't be so easy for you. So the right time is after you complete your 10th. You can go for counseling. You can see the certain areas which you can excel into, and then you can horizontally expand your career. Now, to horizontally expand your career, I would suggest to go for some professional degrees. Yes, 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 I'll surely do that. Yeah. See, basically, yeah, I was into the point, like, when you're going for a profession, when you're going for academics, so academic will give you theoretical knowledge, all right, and a professional course. If you take a professional course, it will give you technical skills. So all those students after 12th who are opting for BMS, who are opting for BAF, BBI, and any academic stream, you can continue with it. At the same time, side by side, you can do some professional courses. Like, there are a lot of professional courses into digital marketing, multimedia, animation, also photography. So the interest area, certain things which interest you, you can do certain courses into it. Now, what it will do, it will help you to build your technical base. So in future, when you opt for a job, then it will add to your resume that you have done some professional courses as well. So it will help you to stand out in the competition. All right. So that is one more important point which I want to highlight, that multiple career option is very important today. So always think from that point of view. It is important. Okay. Any questions from my viewers? Anything you want to ask? Any suggestions? Okay, so I would like to share one more thing, that how it makes a difference when you have a mentor in your life and when you don't have a mentor. See, mentoring is something, if it is done by a professional, it can work really well for your career. And IIM Graduate does provides mentoring to the students. It helps to solve their doubts. It helps to come up with all the career queries which you have. Okay, and you are getting help from professionals, from people who are on the field, so they know and they understand what are the limitation and what are the areas which you can excel into. So yes, you should you should have a right mentor in your life. That's what I would say. Mentoring is important. Yes. Any doubts, any questions? No questions for me? Did you understand this concept, multiple career option? Do you feel that it is important for your child to opt for multiple career option? Can I get a yes? Can I get a yes? Quickly, quickly. Yes? Good suggestion. Yes. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you, Bhavna ma'am. Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. So yes, multiple career is important, and I highly recommend all the students who have just passed their 12th to go for to plan your career in such a way that you have multiple careers available in future for you, because it helps you to have you to lead a successful life. All right, so you should go for it. Yes. Okay. The last but the most important point for today's discussion will be support from your parents. All the parents who are viewing me. So, yes, this point is for you. Alright. When I say that support from parents is required, what I mean is, please motivate your child in whichever area he wants to go. Alright. Your motivation, your support is very important for your child. Understand this thing, my friends. If you don't support your child, he will be demotivated. Okay, if you are not motivating, see, you are the only person he can rely to, and if you are not motivating him, then obviously, it will be a very demotivating situation for him. So I would suggest all the parents to please motivate their children, okay, to please help them to follow their passion. And here I would also like to share my own personal experience. Today I am in front of you, talking to you all, sharing my experiences. This all is possible because my parents supported me when I needed them. Okay, they supported me in all my career decisions. They helped me, they motivated me. They never said that no, you can't do this. They never gave that statement to me. They always motivated me. They always helped me to think positive, that yes, you can do it, go for it, give it a try, we are there for you. These words, these encouraging words are very important for a child. All right, so a kind request to all the parents who are listening to me or who will be listening to this replay session, that you please motivate your child. Please help him to support his passion. It is very much important today, also as the times are changing. So the things are becoming very much complex. All right, and today the 21st century parents are no more like authoritative figures, but they are more than that. They are more like a friend, a philosopher, and a guide for their children. So if you put yourself in the shoes of your child, then it will be very easy for you to understand the situation. Okay, and I don't say that there won't be disagreements. There will be disagreements. Even I have faced it. But the best part, to solve that is going for light conversations. Okay. Okay. I'll just finish this point and then I'll surely answer you, Aarti. All right. Okay. So the point I was into is, see, if the parents don't support their children, then it becomes very difficult. All right, so please support your children. There might be cases where there will be disagreements. Okay, so try to go for light conversations. Don't go for argument. The child is not going to listen to you if you go for an argument, and it will lead to frustration and stress, nothing more than that. Okay, give him such an environment where he can share his doubts, where he can share his opinion, where he can share what he is thinking. All right, it is very important. And secondly, if you feel that whatever the child is doing is wrong, so you can seek the help of the expert. When I talk about expert, then the expert is a career counselor, which I have explained in my first point. You can go to a career counselor. You can take his suggestions, because see, I'll tell you, many a times what happens is, we as parents, we are not very much updated about the latest trends, yeah, latest career options. Okay, so we feel ki, uh, will the career option work for my child? Will it be, will he become successful in his career? So if you take the help of an expert, then you both, your child and you, will be in a better position to take informed career decision. It will help you to gain a lot of clarity while you take that decision. All right, and when I talk about the expert, so even your child will understand, okay, where he's going wrong, or how should he modify his goal, so that he can work on it and he can gain success in his future. So yes, I highly recommend all the parents who are viewing me to go for a career counseling session, because it will surely help you in a long run. All right, now coming straight away to Aarti's question, ma'am, can you tell me how can we manage multiple career? See, managing skills, yes, it is difficult. There are times when even I have a lot of deadline issues, but it becomes easier. When I talk about multiple careers, what you can do is, you can take one career as a full time, and you can take one career as a part time basis. So you have both the careers going on side by side, and it becomes easy for you to generate lot of income as well. See, there are a lot of freelancing opportunities which are there today in the market. You can grab them, and it will surely help you to earn more. It will help you to increase your income levels. See, why I went to this point is because we all have big aims in our career. We think that in future I should enjoy all the luxury in my life. I want all the comfort and everything. But understand this thing: comfort, luxury will not come if you stick to one career. It might come to you, but it will it will be very much stressful. you don't have an option, so you have to stick to only one career, and it will become very difficult for you. But at the same time, when you have two career option, I know the things might be little what I can say. The things might be little difficult to manage at the start, but once you are at it, then you will become a pro. Surely you will become a pro. So I highly recommend all the professionals to go for multiple career options. Even if you see on a current basis, all the professionals are into multiple career options. They are pursuing their full-time career, at the same time they do something side by side which help them to support their income sources. So yes, multiple career is a good option to go for, and I highly recommend it. Yes. Any other questions for me? Quickly. Any other question, my friends? Do you have any other questions? It's great to interact with you all. I would like to get your feedback. Quickly. If you love this session, give me a heart or give me a big fat thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you so much for all the love, for all your comments. It's great. It's great to talk to you all. And I'm really motivated right now. Anything you want me to talk on, or if you want to share your experiences with me, I would love to hear that. You can comment below. Did you like my session, guys? Comment yes, yes. Any suggestions from anyone? Anything you would like to talk about, or any questions for me? Thank you for your love, Reena. Thank you. So yes, I guess then we can wrap up the session, as I don't think I have any more questions. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your lovely comment. Thank you. It was wonderful interacting with all of you. Indeed, it was a wonderful, evening. It was a wonderful session. Yes. So I guess it's time to wrap up. Okay. So before going, I would like to thank Professor Shilpi for giving up this opportunity to me, so that I can interact with all of you. Thank you so much. And also I would like to thank IM graduate team for this wonderful opportunity, for coming up with this wonderful platform where experts can okay, they have some questions. All right. Okay, let me first answer that. One question. Yes. You need to ask some questions. Yes, I am listening. See, I would like to thank. Okay, mentorship is only for student, or who can also be benefited by the same. See, mentoring is something which any person can need at any point of time. All right, it can be even a working professional who needs mentoring. It can be a person at his in his 50s. He can also need mentoring. So mentoring is not only for students, it is for all the professionals who need some help in their career. Then mentoring is for everyone. If you need some help in your career, then it's always good to go to your mentor. How does mentorship is important for working professional or for parents or guardians? Okay. For working professionals, see, today working professionals are facing a lot of stress. Okay. So how should I handle stress? Or how should I manage how should I manage my I should manage work life balance? Any examples you would like to? Okay, I'm giving that example only. So how should I maintain a work-life balance? Which is a big question which all the professionals are facing today. It's a big problem, which all the professionals are facing today. So I think if you want some, mentorship on those topics, then surely you can go for it, because mentoring is required on those topics as well. Many people are facing a lot of problems. So yes, you can go for mentorship. Even for parents, I would say how to how to help my child, how to have a good relation with my child. See, keeping a relation with a child is, we all know, but having a healthy environment, having a good relation with a child, how should you connect with your child, how can you create an environment where your child feels comfortable to talk to you, all these things I feel, you can go for mentoring, mentors, you can approach a mentor for those things. It will be very much helpful for all the parents and guardians, because these are the points who nobody talks about, but I feel these points are very important. Okay, so yes, I think that I have answered your question. Yes, are you satisfied with my answer? Can I get an yes if I've answered your question well? Then okay, many people are live, so I'll just quickly revise all the points so that everyone can get benefit. Okay, so how to make a right career choice? First and foremost, go to a counselor, seek the help of an expert who can tell you what is the right career you can opt for. Secondly, once you select your career option, try to horizontally expand your career, which means going for multiple career options, which is recommended for today's job market. And the last is all for all the parents, that you should support your child, motivate them, motivate to follow their passion. It is important. So yes, these are the 3 points which I feel is very important, and it's very useful while you want to select a right career. All right, so yes, with this I would like to wrap up this session. Okay, so a big thank you to Shilpi once again, and thank you, I am graduate, for providing me with this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. Okay, before I wrap up, I have a question to for all my viewers. Would you like to see me again with some more concepts like this? Would you like to hear me once again, guys? Do you want me to do some more live sessions like this? Can I get can I get your feedback in the comment section? I'm waiting for your feedback, guys. Can you give some feedback to me? Oh, that's great. That's great. Thank you so much. You have been so interactive, audience, guys. Trust me, I am so motivated right now. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love and all the support. Thank you, Samiksha ma'am, for joining the live session. I know you had a meeting, but still you came for my live. It was great to have you here. Thank you. Thank you, Lena. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am graduate, and it's a wonderful opportunity which you gave me, and I am blessed that I am here and I could talk about this topic, because I think it is very much important for us to address this thing, address this topic. So yes, that's all I guess for this session. Yeah, I'll quickly now wind up the session. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for all your motivation, for such wonderful and lovely comments. And I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive.